In this module, we will discuss about how to design a 3D model for 3D printing or additive manufacturing. As we have discussed earlier, 3D printing starts with Tinkercad model, then converting this file to STL file, then slicing of the file and generating G code, finally printing of object. So we will start with first step of 3D printing, that is creating a 3D model or design which you want to create or print by 3D printer. There are plenty of softwares available like AutoCAD, CATIA, ProE, Blender, SolidWorks, Tinkercad, etc. You can create your model by using any of this software. In this module, we are going to learn Tinkerked for designing a 3D model. The reason behind choosing Tinkercad above all software is that it is fully free software by Autodesk. Everyone can create the model without investing any penny. Second big advantage of Tinkercad is that you don't need to download the software as it runs online. I will show you in next lectures about step-by-step method to use Tinkercad. Third big advantage is that you don't need to save your work or 3D files always. Whatever models you will create in Tinkercad, they will automatically save. Anytime you can access them and modify them. Also, you can use it from any remote place as you don't need to have your laptop always. You can work on Tinkercad from anywhere by just using internet. Fourth and biggest advantage of Tinkercad is it is very simple and user friendly. Even if you have never used any design software in your life or a beginner, I can give you a guarantee that after the completion of this module, you will be expertise in 3D design and you can start creating your 3D models just after. So I'm pretty excited to start the journey of Tinkercad with you. Are you? See you in the next lecture. If you want to learn complete 3D printing and make a career in this field, you can click to the link given in description box and start your journey now. In this course, you will learn 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, from start to finish. This course includes design of 3D models, slicing of 3D model, 3D scanning, types of 3D printers, STL file formats, post-processing, 3D printing materials and many more, along with assignments and quizzes. At the end of the course, you will get a certificate which will help you for your job interviews. The prices of course is so minimal that everyone can afford. So, see you inside the course. Thank you.